Have you ever wondered how to make polymers perform better, last longer, or even gain new functionalities? Welcome to Polymer Additives and Compounding for Formulators, enhancing performance and properties by OnlyTRAININGS. In this two-part expert-led online training, you'll dive deep into the world of polymer additives and compounding. Part 1 covers the essentials of polymer additives, those magical substances that can transform ordinary polymers into extraordinary materials. You'll learn about antioxidants, UV stabilizers, plasticizers, and much more. By understanding how these additives interact with the polymer matrix, you'll be able to select the right ones for your specific applications. Part 2 focuses on the art and science of polymer compounding. Imagine mixing, blending, and extruding polymers to create custom materials tailored to your needs. From the techniques of melt mixing to the intricacies of equipment calibration, you'll master every step of the process. We'll even delve into real-world case studies to show you how these techniques can solve complex formulation challenges. Now you might be thinking, why should you join this training? Well, let me tell you. First of all, it unlocks creative solutions, enhancing your ability to innovate and differentiate your products. Second, it prepares you for career advancement, positioning you for leadership roles and exciting opportunities in the polymer industry. Third, it hones your problem-solving skills, making you an invaluable asset to your team. And finally, it opens doors to collaboration with industry experts, fostering groundbreaking advancements. Don't miss out on this chance to become a master in polymer formulation. Register today for both parts at the discounted price of $399 and save $100. Use the discount code provided here at checkout. Unlock the secrets of polymer formulation and take your formulation expertise to the next level. To register, click on the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com now.